And I'm doing a quick demo of this used Art Sound Octavia clone. It's a bit of a dodgy lead there. Now it has two knobs. This is a level and this is the fuzz. Now at the moment I'm running through a clean sound through this Laney AOR 30 amp, and I'm just running it through the low input. So that's the. Now with the fuzz turned down, you get the best effect with the octave. So I'll show you what the fuzz sounds like without the octave. Right, so just with the fuzz turned down and with the octave effect on, which works best with the neck or the middle pickups. Here we go. So it's a pretty cool effect there. Now, interestingly, when you wind the fuzz up, the fuzz is epic, but because on the pedal the octave is before the fuzz, it does tend to obscure the fuzz effect, the octave effect. So here's the fuzz. So a bit of a truck fighter's riff there. And then if I turn the octave on, so as you can see, it compresses a lot and it isn't a very full sound. So if you actually want to have high gain and you want to have the octave effect, then what you need to do is you need to run it into an overdriven amp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into the high input of this amp, and I'm going to wind the fuzz back again and put the level up so that it's above unity gain. Okay, so I'll pull this down a bit more. Okay, so that's the crunch sound from this amp. Okay, so with fuzz, kind of gritty. Now the interesting thing. So you have that fuzzy flavour, and now the octave. Now with the middle position, it's quite squealy again. Okay, very cool, I think. And then, if you want to go full metal, then you can kick in the full sound. Okay, so now we are. Okay, so that's our neck pickup sound. Pitch and fuzz in. fuzzy fun. Thanks.